What's up, everybody? Matt Maran here, and this is the Lexus LC Convertible Concept that was revealed here at the 2019 North American International Auto Show. And so it looks really striking. I think the LC is already one of the most beautiful cars in production currently, and the convertible version just makes it look even better, I think, in a lot of ways. A really nice transition here to the convertible version. You have these 22-inch wheels on the concept version here, just for the concept. And if you're wondering about the what type of top it's using, whether hard top or soft top, Lexus says it doesn't have a top. Actually, they're still kind of trying to figure out what people want, and I think they just kind of put this out there to see what people's reaction would be to an LC convertible, and I think it's pretty positive. I think it's beautiful. That rear deck is a lot longer than what you see on the coupe. That is one thing that is just different. I'm not sure which I prefer, honestly, but they did have a coupe here on display, so I had filmed it just to kind of show you guys a little comparison there of the shorter deck. Looks a little more sporty, I think, in my opinion, on the coupe. The convertible looks a little more like a Grand Tour kind of cruiser with that rear deck, but I think both look fantastic, honestly, and I'm just really hoping that they put it into production. They said it seems like they probably will, but hasn't been 100% confirmed yet, but I think it would certainly make sense. So anyway, that is the LC Convertible Concept. Let me know your thoughts about it in the comments below. Thank you guys very much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Take care.